How to upload HD videos to TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can upload HD videos to TikTok. Make sure you are updated to the latest version of the app and open it. Once on the app, click on the plus icon that you can find on the screen. And you can either create a new video which won't be much of HD, so I'll recommend you to already click an HD video and save it to your device. Now once you have done that, go to uploads and select the video that you have recorded. So once you do that, you can select the video from your device, select one or multiple and then click next. Now once you do that, you will be able to click on next again. You can edit again, but I wouldn't recommend you to do so because it would affect the quality of the video. So you can simply create a description here and post it. This way you can upload HD videos to TikTok. Hope you liked it. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.